What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday, October 8th, 2025. We're about 14 minutes out from market opening. Today, once again, I'll be trading NASDAQ futures. I'm going to start out with the MNQ, the micro contracts. I'll start out trading this funded account, which is currently sitting at $52,289. I have had a payout approved on this account, so that's why it's back down to $52,289. I made a little bit of profit on there the last couple of days, so I'm gonna just keep building that back up. I'm on the third day. Today's the third day trading this, so once again on the 8th trading day, I'll be able to request another payout. So I'm just kind of slowly working my way back up towards that. And I've got two evaluation accounts down here, both sitting a little bit in the profit. These are $50,000 evaluation accounts. This one here, $50,222. This is the one that I've actually had some pretty big fluctuations on. I've had it up to $51,000 and down to $49,000. So I had it pretty close to hitting the trailing drawdown. So I scaled down, started trading the micros, got it back up to where it is now. I had just a couple of reversal trades that didn't work out for me. And if you watch my last couple of videos, I was talking about kind of fine-tuning my reversal strategy. So I've done that. I've narrowed it down the last couple of days. I took a couple of less trades that I normally would have taken the last couple of weeks. And now they don't meet my new criteria for those setups. So the last couple of days I didn't take those, and I had less trades, but the last 2 days I haven't had any losing trades. So I think that's going to pay off pretty big. And the newer evaluation account down here, $50,491. I might go ahead and continue trading the NQ minis on that just to be a little bit more aggressive and get it to the funded phase quicker. And then once this other evaluation here is up, maybe 50,500 or so, I might go back to trading the minis on it. Just playing it safe for now. So market will be open in about 10 minutes or less, and just gonna be patient, wait for my setups. So stay tuned so you can check out my trading strategies and just my thought process as I trade, and make sure you're subscribed so you can check out all the future videos.
They cannot sit idle, so they let the noise whip them about until their accounts are bled dry. Tell me, must you always be busy, or can you be wise?
Alright, let's see if we can grab 10 points to the upside right here with this momentum. I've gotten a lot of these to the downside lately, right at market open. Let's see if I can get one to the upside.
They said it cannot go lower, but as the trend who ignores the daily chatter and holds to the line of least resistance, he can ride the movement.
Almost there. Come on, let's get 10 points, 6 points. Stop at break even just in case. It's kind of a risky trade. There we go, 10 points. Good way to start off the trading day.
You see, the market demands simplicity.
Nice little momentum set up there. I can usually catch those at market open as long as we have a good strong push. And the 4-hour candle looks decent. The 15-minute candle looked really good. The 5-minute candle looked really good. And the 2-minute candle looked good. So when all that lines up, you know, you can usually have a pretty safe bet on getting 10 points in the direction of that momentum. That was a trade. Whoops. That was a trade.
Then I have seen disobedience destroy men in spectacle. They fight the bear market, doubling down, telling themselves it cannot.
I gotta get this chart set up right.
They borrow from friends. They pour good money after bad.
Up there and grab 10 points. The bulls are trying. Come on, let's get 10 points on this account for the day. Come on, bulls.
I recall my early days in the bucket shop.
A little bit harder, bulls. Let's grab 10 points. Almost. Oh, that wick just barely
And what struck me was this: whenever
barely got up there.
I gained, whenever I let myself be swayed by
There we go.
the lesson was
That was a close one, but you know, we got the 10 points, so we got a couple hundred profit locked in on this
was costly.
evaluation account. Now I'll hop over to the other one.
One, because you know the management, because you have read the newspapers, that the market must bend to your reasoning.
Let's see if we can grab 10 points.
The market does not hear your arguments, and even if it could,
Everything's looking good and strong here.
it listens only to the weight of money.
Just going for
to the
10
pressure of
points.
supply and demand. When you pit your opinion against the trend, you are not engaging in a debate. You are standing in front of a locomotive, insisting it stop because you raise your hand. Tell me honestly, do you believe the locomotive will stop for you?
15 still looks really good, so I'm not too concerned about this trade right now.
Weakness. They want to conquer the market, to dominate it, to prove themselves superior. But the market cannot be conquered.
Strong momentum.
It is larger than all of us.
Still very strong
It is not
uptrend,
an
so
opponent to be
just gonna
defeated.
let it work.
It is a force to be harnessed. The man who harnesses it is enriched, and the man
Come on,
who fights
8
it is ruined.
points.
Think of a river. The obedient man builds his mill where the current flows and lets it turn.
Give it
its wheel.
space. Just leave
The
it. Give it
disobedient
some
man
space here.
stands in the water, trying to push it back with his hands. Which
8
man gains
points.
from the river, and which man is swept away?
Come on.
There is another punishment
A little
that
bit
comes from
further.
arguing with the market, one that is worse than the financial loss. It is the loss of confidence.
Come
the
on.
slow
9
erosion of one's
points.
own judgment. Every time a man argues with the trend,
Alright,
it is
stop. Oh, I was about to put my stop at break even, just in case we got to pull back,
from a position of
but we went ahead and hit the target, so I'm up 10 points on this other evaluation account now. So altogether,
and his nerve is
let's see, about 500 in profits, and then you take out commission, so just a little under 500
gnawing down
so far. It's 10 minutes after 9.
longer know whether to buy
Let's
or
see what else we get today. It's looking like a pretty strong uptrend so far.
in the market time. You have fed your fear, but you have starved your profits. Now consider the opposite. The trend is down. Prices slide. Supply overwhelms demand. The tape shows weakness. You should sell or stay out, but the noise comes. Optimistic forecasts. Friends telling you the stock is a bargain. Your own hope insisting the turn is near. You hold on.
Let's see if we can grab 10 more points. Had a little
The price keeps falling.
flag pattern here. It didn't pull back very deep.
Your capital. Does
Let's
this
see if we can pop back up there and grab 10 points off of that.
Elements yourself, bend to opinion. Opinion bends to truth. Which side do you choose? The beauty of the trend is its simplicity. I have spent a lifetime watching markets, watching men, and watching myself. What I tell you today isn't theory pulled from books, nor the wishful thinking of men who doubt.
Alright, come on, bulls. We got this nice flag set up here.
In the ticker rooms, he's tossed about like a cork on the sea, never once asking which way the tide is running. I ask you, would you sail your ship by listening to the chatter of gulls?
Alright, bulls. Come on. One more push.
The gulls are noisy.
One more
The compass
push.
tells the truth. What saved me time and again, when I remembered to practice it. The market does not hear your arguments, and even if it could, it would not care. It listens only to the weight of money, to the pressure of supply and demand. When you pit your opinion against the trend, you are not engaging in a debate. You are standing in front of a locomotive, insisting it stop, because you raise your hand. Tell me honestly, do you believe the locomotive will stop for you? I have met men who thought themselves cleverer than the tape. They spoke with say he should take his profits.
Alright, stopped out there.
And when the bull
And now I
market
will
is
go short and target
that those same critics gave
down
me
here.
Then I have seen
Stop
disobedience
loss
destroy
above
men
high of
respected.
day.
Yourself you are selling because of some piece of news, when in truth you are selling because of fear. You tell yourself you are buying because of a tip, when in truth you are buying because of greed. The noise gives you a justification, a story, a mask. You too could profit. That fear of missing out feeds your greed. And you
Let's see if we get it. 15, 16.
word. But there is no magic word. The tape is
Come
the
on,
only
Bears.
source you need. It contains
20
all the
points.
knowledge
Come on, a
and
little bit
wisdom
further.
of mind.
just a little bit
The
further.
result is there in the price. What more do you require? What secret could possibly matter more than that?
Almost there.
Will you believe the tape? Or will you keep listening?
There we
to
go.
whispers in the
22 points there.
market rewards discipline
So I
in
took the loss on the long,
It makes you
but
patient.
then it looked like the top was formed on the 5-minute chart. Looked like the bears stepped in pretty strong there on that candle.
To sit tight.
So I stepped in with 2 contracts short, looking for a target to
Your emotions. You must
tap into this fair value gap that's on the 15,
like any
and it worked out. 22 points short right there, got me up to $657 in profits on this evaluation.
choice.
So now it's up over 51,000.
Chatter and return relentlessly. Ignore
Alright guys, I'm going to call it done right there as far as the video is concerned. I'm going to just keep an eye on the chart to see if I get any other good setups. But I'm just going to
who is wrong.
go ahead and get this video edited and uploaded.
That is irrelevant.
As of right now, I'm up about $950 total between these 3 accounts.
They would rather defend
The bottom 2 are evaluation accounts. So I'm working my way up to 53,000 on those to get those funded.
it may be.
This one right here,
And the trend turns
PA Apex, that is a funded account. It's currently at 52,384. So I've got to trade that one for a few more days to get another payout.
does not debate.
But they just approved my last payout. Just within 2 days it was approved, and
To buy when he
it should be in my account very soon. So it seems like Apex is getting faster with their payout process. So that's pretty good. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. Until the next one, peace out.
It's true.